Hello everyone. Today we are going to make mask. In the time of coronavirus, the most important thing is the mask. So today we will learn how to make two types of mask at home. For making the mask, we need cotton fabric, 6-inch elastic. I have taken matching colored elastic, 6-inch into 4 strips. So total 24 inches elastic, scissors, fabric chalk. I have taken 3 glue sticks, hot glue gun and a power extension. We are not doing stitching here. If you know stitching, you can do stitching where we will use glue. So let's get started. First we will mark the pattern of mask on the fabric. So here I have taken this fabric. I will fold it into 4. This is double fabric. Now we will do fold one more time. Now it looks like this. So according to this pattern, we will draw same pattern on the fabric. So first we'll cut out this pattern. See, we have to make 4 cutouts like this. First we will cut this. So we will place it like this and mark at the boundary. See, this is 4 inches from this point to this point, 5 inches from this point to this point, 1.5 inches from this peak point to the center where these 2 points will meet, and 3 inches from here, 3 inches from here and 2.5 inches from here. This is the area near the ear, and this area will cover our mouth and nose. So we will cut this and get 4 drafts like this. We will remove the extra fabric. See, we have got 4 drafts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we will heat the glue gun and start making the mask. This size is for adult mask. If you are making for kids, then you can reduce the length and breadth accordingly. So first we will paste 2 masks like this. We have to put glue on this edge and then place it like this. So let's see, our glue is hot or not. Our glue is ready. We will paste. Same with the other 2 parts. Remove the extra residue. Now we will put this into this like this. Both wrong sides inwards. Now we will paste it all over it. For that, place glue on first side. See, our base of mask is ready. Now we will cut 1/2 inch broad straps and do outline of the mask. For that we will cut from this fabric only. If you want, you can use combination fabric also. See, these are this long straps. We will apply glue here. Do simple fold from here and paste. Now in this side we will attach straps here for the wearing the mask, that is our elastic. Put the glue here. See, here it's finished. Do same process on this side also. Now we will finish these two sides. See, our first type of mask is ready. It will cover full mouth and nose. Now we are going to learn second type of mask. For the second type, we will take next draft, which is like this. We have to take plain fabric which is 6 inches in length and 8 inches in breadth. For that, we will do the fabric in double fold and place this draft, mark with chalk, cut it like this. Now we have to take wrong sides of fabric and place glue on all 4 sides. First we will fold it inside. Ready the other fabric like this. See, our both fabrics are ready. Now we will take both wrong sides and place one fabric over the other. Now we have to make pleats over here. For that we will make like this. Like this. We have to make 2 pleats over here for the stretch. For that, so here are our 2 types of mask. Both are of double layered and both work same. Thank you.